Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine. In the previous class, we have learned about different party systems. Today, we will discuss about national political party, its definition, what are the conditions to become a national party, and the 7 national political parties of India. Democracies that follow a federal system all over the world tend to have two kinds of political parties: national political parties and state political parties. So, what are the two kinds of political parties? National political parties and state political parties. First, about national political parties. What are national political parties? There are some countrywide parties which are called national parties. So, countrywide parties are called national parties. These parties have their own units in various states, but by and large, all these units follow the same policies, programs, and strategy. Next, we will analyze the role of Election Commission. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. While the Commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given unique symbol. Parties that get these privileges and some other special facilities by the Election Commission are known as recognized political parties. So, parties which are recognized by Election Commission is called recognized political party. How are political parties recognized as national parties in India? Or what are the conditions to become a national political party? Let's discuss. In order to become a national political party, first, that party secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party. I will repeat. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national political party. There were 7 recognized national parties in the country in 2017. Let us learn something about each of these parties. First, about All India Trinamool Congress, AITC. Launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee. Recognized as a national party in 2016. The party's symbol is flowers and grass. Committed to secularism and federalism. Has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. Also has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general elections held in 2014, it got 3.84% votes and won 34 seats, making it the 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha. Bahujan Samaj Party, BSP, formed in 1984 under the leadership of Kanshi Ram, seeks to represent and secure power for the Bahujan Samaj, which includes the Dalits, Adivasis, OBCs and religious minorities. Draws inspiration from the ideas and teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. stands for the cause of securing the interest and welfare of the Dalits and oppressed people. It has its main base in the Uttar Pradesh and substantial presence in neighboring states like Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, and Punjab. Formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times by taking the support of different parties at different times. In the Lok Sabha elections held in 2014, it polled about 4% votes but did not secure seat in the Lok Sabha. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Janasangh, formed by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee in 1951. Wants to build a strong and modern India by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and values and Deen Dayal Upadhyaya's ideas of integral humanism and Antyodaya. Cultural nationalism or Hindutva is an important element in its conception of Indian nationhood and politics. Wants full territorial and political integration of Jammu and Kashmir with India, a uniform civil code for all people living in the country irrespective of religion, and ban on religious conversions. Its support base increased substantially in the 1990s. Earlier limited to north and west and to urban areas, the party expanded its support in the south, east, the northeast, and to rural areas. Came to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance, including several regional parties. Emerged as the largest party with 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Currently leads the ruling NDA government at the centre. Communist Party of India CPI, formed in 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy, opposed to the forces of secessionism and communalism, accepts parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interest of the working class, farmers and the poor, became weak after the split in the party in 1964 that led to the formation of the CPIM. Significant presence in the states of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Its support base had gradually declined over the years. It secured less than 1% votes and one seat in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. Advocates the coming together of all left parties to build a strong left front. Communist Party of India Marxist CPIM, founded in 1964, believes in Marxism-Leninism, supports socialism, secularism and democracy, and opposes imperialism and communalism. Accepts democratic elections as a useful and helpful means for securing the objective of socio-economic justice in India. Enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura, especially among the poor, factory workers, farmers, agricultural laborers and the intelligentsia. Critical of the new economic policies that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. Was in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years. In the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, it won about 3% of votes and 9 seats. Indian National Congress INC, popularly known as the Congress Party, one of the oldest parties of the world. founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits, played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, the party sought to build a modern, secular, democratic republic in India. Ruling party at the center till 1977 and then from 1980 to 1989. After 1989, its support declined, but it continues to be present throughout the country, cutting across social divisions. A centrist party, in its ideological orientation, the party espouses secularism and welfare of weaker sections and minorities, supports new economic reforms but with a human face. Leader of the United Progressive Alliance government from 2004 to 2014. Currently, it is the principal opposition party in the Lok Sabha. Nationalist Congress Party NCP, formed in 1999 following a split in the Congress Party, espouses democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice and federalism. Wants that high offices in government be confined to natural born citizens of the country. A major party in Maharashtra and has a significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. A coalition partner in the state of Maharashtra in alliance with the Congress. Since 2004, a member of the United Progressive Alliance. Let me conclude today's session. I hope all of you have understood the content clearly. For your reference, I have uploaded the URL. Go through it. Notes are also attached along with this. Take it down. A test question paper is also there. Try it yourself. Thank you.